Today I will show you the different items that I received so that your home can smell good just like mine. Here you see the package that I received on my front doorstep. Again, not just Airwick products, but this really nice picture. If you want to have some friends over or family, this is really nice to add to your decor. Here's that throw again. Like, I'm 5'8", and that throw is longer than me. Like, come on. You get 2 of the actual warmers. Get another warmer and scent. And this scent is the white sage and mahogany. You get 2 of the nectarine and paradise flower. So good. Almond milk and honey. The almond milk and honey smells so good. It's light, it's not too strong. A lot of these scents, they still fill the room up, but they won't give you a headache or anything if you're worried about that. And what I wasn't expecting, that is not directly an Airwick product, is the Nest thermostat. Not only will your home smell good, you can make sure you're keeping the temperature just right so those scents can just fill up the room. Now here is something that you really wouldn't expect, but it's major to this whole giveaway box. It's a mirror tray. So nice, this mirror tray. For selecting me as one of your giveaway winners. Again, you guys definitely check out some of these products so your home can smell so vibrant and you'll have that amazing experience as well.